With AI, you can create a high-quality headshot in minutes. Today, we'll show you how to make a realistic business headshot using Superworks AI Professional Headshot Generator. First, head over to Superworks AI Professional Headshot Generator. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to get started. Click this button to open the tool. I'm preparing to create a female AI headshot, so I'll select Female. There are plenty of styles to choose from. Since Christmas is around the corner, I want my profile to look more casual and relaxed, so I'll go with the cafe theme. Click Next, and here we can choose an age range. I want to look a bit younger, so I'll select this option. My hair color is black, so I'll choose that. Glasses? No, I'm not wearing any, so I'll skip that. Next, we need to select ethnicity. I have distinct Hispanic female features, so I'll choose this category. Now, it's time to upload a photo. There are examples below showing the right kind of photos to use, which is super helpful. Click Upload Images. I only have a selfie on hand, so I'll use that. Alright, now let's click the Start button below to see what happens. The AI will start analyzing the photo and use it to generate professional headshots with similar facial features. In just about a minute, it's done. We've generated 6 AI headshots with a cafe background. I got lucky. One of them has a Christmas tree in the background. It looks perfect and is just right as my professional photo for the new year. Next, I'll click the Download button to save it to my designated folder. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate Again and repeat the steps. It's all completely free and doesn't require registration. Okay, here are some other styles I've generated for your reference. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.